Disasters can happen anywhere and can take a while to recover from. Checking your insurance coverage now helps you prepare and can make recovery easier. Here's what to check. Flood insurance. It's not included in most homeowner policies. Visit floodsmart.gov to learn more. Earthquake coverage. Damage from earthquakes usually requires a separate policy. Ice storms and windstorms. Make sure your policy covers winter damage and power-related impacts. Wildfire coverage. Check limits, deductibles, and replacement costs. Store important documents in a safe place. Like insurance policies, IDs, and home inventories. Protect them from water damage and keep a backup on a USB drive or in secure cloud storage. Insurance won't stop a disaster, but it can help you recover faster. Take time now to review your coverage and be ready before the next disaster. For more information on insurance policies and preparing important documents, visit the Division of Financial Regulation website. It's at dfr.oregon.gov/prepare now.